I was checking out this news. Home decor startup Vari has to raise about 20 crore rupees in pre-seed funding. How many of you really understand that how these people are able to start businesses and they're able to make such amount of money? A lot of people who are in job right now, they are feeling like how they can get out of that 9 to 5 job, how they can be free financially. But then there are a lot of people who are actually raising funds. They're making successful businesses with an idea. So here today we are going to explore about how we can start our own plug and play ready-made e-commerce business. I'll be teaching you about e-commerce business completely end to end with my 100% guaranteed e-commerce business opportunity program, where you'll be learning about how to build an e-commerce business, how to do digital marketing. You will get access of 17 modules in this, and you will also have access of 17 certifications for each, which are government approved certification. So with this learning on e-commerce and digital marketing, with this in-depth training of how to do sales of any product online, you will be getting lifetime of access, lifetime of update, and lifetime of support from our mentors and team. So if you're a student or a working professional, or if you're a business owner, or you are looking to get started with an online business, I suggest that learn e-commerce and digital marketing today with us, because this is the best business opportunity, or you can say this is the industry every company or every business have to be. So today, if you see in Amazon.com, for any single commodity like wall stickers or anything, you can see so many listings are there, so many sales are happening. There are 8,700 reviews, 300 people bought this just last month. That means these products continuously will have demand. Home decor items, for example, this dream catcher, this is so beautiful. You can see 1,000 people have given great review, and this is priced at this amount. So same way, if you can start an e-commerce business, I know that whatever the product I'm showing you, a lot of you may not be manufacturing them, but manufacturers do not know how to do exports. They do not know how to sell. If you see Lazada.com, a lot of these products in Lazada, this is a this is Singapore website, and these products come from China. And same way, if you see, this is Rakuten, this is Japan's website. It doesn't mean that anybody who is selling online is a manufacturer. Manufacturer's job is to manufacture. The work of the e-commerce company is to make the e-commerce store and sell these products. I myself, I'm having my e-commerce business. Let me show my raw data. These are my sales of lifetime, about $1 million. I'm doing wholesale, and these are my analytics of 30 days. And I'm also showing you everything live. It's not a screenshot. You can see I'm just showing you things in a more practical way. So these are the list of softwares and tools which I'll be giving you so that you can directly do digital marketing and start selling. I have about 8,000 products in my e-commerce store, which I'm selling, and about 65 different categories of products I'm selling currently. So same way, you can have your own e-commerce store with me, and you will get the domain name. You will be able to add your own staff members. You can directly add payment gateway so that people can directly pay you, and you can ship to the customers directly. It will be your own branded domain name with AI software tools integrated into this all-in-one program. So what I suggest you is that join this certified e-commerce professional program with IIEC so that you can build a highly successful career in e-commerce domain. Now I'll show you something interesting, that this plug and play business opportunity is of wall and door hangings. This business you will be getting from me with the suppliers data, with the lead generation support, and database of the buyers also from my side. So all these wall decor items that you are seeing are unbranded. The manufacturer is manufacturing them. We'll find that manufacturer, list those products into the e-commerce store, and we'll start selling them directly through our e-commerce store using social media marketing. And also we can do wholesaling. We can also do exports. We can also sell in Amazon and many other marketplaces. So all these products can be sold regularly, so you can make great amount of profits. What you see here is the financial projection for the next 2 to 3 years. You can make about 5 to 6 crores a month itself. That means 50 to 60 crore rupees you can make in a year's time. And even in the worst case scenario, it will be giving you more profits than how much you're making in your job. Even if in a job you're making about a few lakh rupees, you can easily make about 8 to 10 lakh rupees in e-commerce. I'll teach you the skills so that you can have your own branded domain name, your own e-commerce store. You can directly sell these products online. You can make profits. So simple to start business. Name your store, add the products, and start selling with the digital marketing strategies that I'll be giving you. With the support that I'm giving you, you can make it very successful, because see, I'm myself doing the sales, and I've already shown you the live analytics of my e-commerce store where I'm making about $1 million in sales in wholesale B2B. So same way you can also do it. And if you want to know about the credibility of the Indian Institute of E-commerce, so let me show you. Like, Indian E-commerce is fully affiliated by Ministry of Education, Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Tata Group, EDII, Amazon, and Alibaba. So it's a fully approved institute, and I have been actively working with entrepreneurs across India to help them to export their products, to start their e-commerce businesses, to help them sell on Amazon. I previously worked with Amazon India. I worked with Alibaba Group as the global director for EGTV program at IIEC. So all the experience that I have got working with these companies, I am able to give you the training and support, and not just me, but along with me there are other mentors and guides who also will be supporting you and assisting you regularly for lifetime. And Indian e-commerce is fully approved institution by having its intellectual properties registered since 2015 till today. And a lot of my students are working professionals. They have got better jobs. They have got placed in top e-com companies. And I'm happy that my students are satisfied. They have given great amount of reviews, and we keep helping our students regularly. So once somebody is our student, it's a lifetime student of IIC. So we believe in this philosophy that our entrepreneurs should be able to build automated e-com businesses. They should be able to build successful ventures. So I wanted to venture into this business today, where I'll provide you the supplier of the product, and you will be able to start your successful e-commerce business. And this is going to be ready-made plug-and-play e-commerce business with the data of buyers, mentorship, and the store, everything included in the single program. So this is a very low-cost business opportunity which you can invest and start your successful career with me, with IIC, by learning about e-commerce and exports. You don't have to pay this entire amount at once. For example, I'm showing you, you can simply go for EMI option by clicking on the EMI by credit card, and it will hardly be 4,800 rupees per month. That's less than 5,000 rupees. So this is the beautiful business opportunity of starting a home decor business. I'll provide you the supplier's contact. I'll provide you the e-commerce store builder. I'll give you the mentorship support, one-on-one training, live classes. And even if you miss the live classes, the recorded contents will also be there, plus access to the certification and softwares of digital marketing and ongoing advertisement strategies with 500 strategies of digital marketing, all inclusive in the single program. So you can do sales on e-commerce marketplaces like Amazon. You can sell through your own e-commerce store. You can sell through Instagram, Facebook, and many more social media channels. And you can also do bulk sales, wholesale, and also exports. Every single thing included in a single program. You can get started with a business that you can do for lifetime, which is recession proof. So you can leave your job and start a full-time career working as an e-commerce entrepreneur and become that next multimillionaire in e-commerce domain. So join us today, build your successful career with us.